Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with you to discuss amazing software which is G Business Extractor Software. This software is very intensive software. Okay, so let's start exploring this software with me. Okay, so first of all we do our some settings, some basic settings of our software. There is an option of file format for data export data. Okay, so in which format do you want to extract your data? Okay, I want extract my data in a Microsoft Excel file, so I will go with this option. If you want a CSV file, which is basically comma separated file, so click on first option. Okay, for now I'm clicking on Microsoft Excel file. Okay, so first here you can list your keywords. Okay, in which category or keyword you want to extract your data. Simply click on category option. Okay, here you can easily add your category. For an example, I'm adding here healthcare. Okay, healthcare organizations. Okay, so I'm adding this category. Click on OK button, and here you can add multiple categories as well. Okay, click on add category again, and add your desired category. Checkbox on the category in which you want. At a time you just add one category, because this software is very detailed. Okay, this software will extract your data in very detailed manner, so this will take your much time. So if you add one category, this will extract your data fastly. Okay, so now the second option is here, which is add location. Okay, so here I am adding my location. Okay, select your country, as I am selecting of Germany. Okay, the second option is all cities, or if you want to add one or two cities. I'm just adding 3 cities because I want my data very quickly. Okay, so the next option, which is states. Okay, if you want all states data, so go with this option. Now for now I'm just adding one state. The next option is zip codes. Okay, so here the option of only one zip code, so I am adding the one. Okay, click on OK button. Now check box on this option, Germany. Now simply click on get data. Okay, the process is start, and this will take approximately 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so for now let's discuss the software benefits. Okay, meanwhile the process is progressing. So the first benefit of this software is lead generation. Quickly gather contact details like phone numbers, emails, websites, and for potential clients, saving hours of manual research. Okay, the second benefit is targeted marketing. Okay, help businesses identify and reach specific industries or location, enabling more focused marketing efforts. Competitive analysis allows users to analyze competitors' presence in specific regions or categories. Okay, real-time data pulls up-to-date information directly from Google, ensuring accuracy and relevance. Okay, so this software is very user friendly. By the way, most versions offer initiative dashboards, making it accessible even for the non-technical users. Okay, now efficiency automates the data collection, reducing the time and cost associated with manual data entry. Data export also, extracted data can be exported in CSV file, which is comma separated file, or Excel format for easy integration with CRM system. Here you can see the tasks to do, like in how much detail the software is working. Okay, the zip codes, okay, the cities, the states, okay, 52 categories. Okay, in one category you get a lot of data. As you can see here, working on task number 1, extracting results of 4, extracting result out of 24. Now the thing which I want to tell you, in one category this software get 24 leads. Okay, so now calculate how much leads you can get over 852. Okay, so this software is very detailed manner. Okay, and very efficient. Okay. Okay, so the first option is directly you can export your data from this option. Okay, just click on export data, save your file name. Okay, save your file name and click on save button. Okay, so the file of your data is okay. So the extraction of your data will be saved by this. Okay, but the thing is, in this manner, your data will be look so messy. Okay, so here is a trick which is press on your keyboard Control A. Okay, select all your data, press on Control A. Okay, now press on Control C, which is copy your all data. Create a new Excel file. Okay, click on here and press Control V, which is paste your all data. Okay, so this is the very easy method to export. Uh, in which manner you can see your data very easily. Clearly. So this is the important thing which I want to tell you about export. Hope you guys are liking my video. Okay, and all the things about this software is clear now, but still if you have any queries regarding this software, so feel free to ask me. Okay, so best of luck. Bye.